Hariom students, all of you are obeying the instructions given by our government for our safety. You practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel. Always you remember it. Yesterday we studied commutative property. Shown what is commutative property of multiplication? If A and B are two rational numbers, then A into B is equal to B into A. If we change the order, also then the product remains the same. That is commutative property for multiplication. Today we can study a new property, distributive property. Distributivity of multiplication or addition for rational numbers. First we can do one example. Find minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6. First we can do the first one. Minus 3 by 4 into question is minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6. First we can do the addition in the bracket. What is 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6? 2 by 3 plus, to add two numbers of different denominator. First we take the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 6? 6. So this 2 by 3 will become 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Then the numerator also we have to multiply by 2. That is 4 by 6 plus minus 5 by 6. Here the LCM is 6. Then to change this denominator to 6, we have to multiply 3 into 2 is 6. Then if you multiply a number in the numerator, then the denominator, then you have to multiply the numerator also. Otherwise the value of the rational number will change. So here 3 into 2 is 6. Then 2 into 2 is 4. Therefore this 2 by 3 will become 4 by 6. Then here the denominator is same. So we write that number itself. Minus 5 by 6. It is equal to, what is 4 plus minus 5 by 6? It is equal to minus 1 by 6. It is equal to minus 1 by 6. Then we can multiply this number with this minus 3 by 4. Therefore, minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 6. Minus 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 6. Then minus 3 into minus 1 is, what is minus 3 into minus 1? Plus 3. So it is equal to 3 by 24. So we got the answer as, or we can write it as 1 by 8. 3 by 24, or simplify we will get 1 by 8. Then we can do the second question. The second one, minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 3 by 4 into minus 5 by 6. Then what is minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3? Haridhanishmi? Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 by 12. Plus minus 3 into minus 5 is plus 15 by 24. Then here also the denominators are different. So we take the LCM. What is the LCM of 12 and 24? LCM is 24. Therefore we convert this minus 6 by 12 also with the denominator 24. Then 12 into 2 is 24. Then minus 6 into 2 is minus 12. Minus 12 by 24 plus 15 by 24. That is equal to 3 by 24. Or it is equal to 1 by 8. You look at the two answers here. Minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 is equal to 1 by 8. Then minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 3 by 4 into minus 5 by 6 is also 1 by 8. This property is called the distributive property of multiplication over addition. That is, if A, B and C are three rational numbers, then A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Therefore, if A, B and C are three rational numbers, then property is called the distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. Here minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 is equal to, first we simplify the number in bracket, the addition bracket. 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 is minus 5 by 6. Then we add this, we get the answer as 1 by 8. Second, we multiply, first we multiply minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Then add it to minus 3 by 4 plus 5. Then also we get the same answer. That is, if A, B and C are three rational numbers, A into B plus C. First if we find A into B plus C, first we add B plus C and then multiply it with A. Or if we multiply A into B plus A into C, then also the answer remains the same. So this property is called the distributive property of multiplication. So we can say that distributivity of multiplication or addition for rational numbers proved here. Therefore, this property is called a distributive property. This property is called the distributive property. Distributive property. So, what is distributive property? If A, B and C are three rational numbers, then A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. If we add this B plus C and multiply it with A, and or if we multiply the A into B and then add it to A into C, then also the answer remains the same. This property is called a distributive property of multiplication over addition of rational numbers. Next question. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Then what is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16? Siddharth? Reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is 16 by minus 7. Or we can write it as minus 7 by 16. 16 by minus 7 and minus 16 by 7. Minus 7 by 16 both are same. So what is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16? Minus 7 by 16 is 16 by minus 7 or minus 7 by 16. Then multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So we have to multiply 6 by 13 into minus 7 by 16. 6 into minus 7 is 2 here. 6 into minus 7 is minus 42 by 16 into 13. What is 16 into 13? 16 into 13. 208. 60 into 13 is 208. That's therefore it is equal to minus 42 by 208. So multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. First we find the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. What is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16? It is equal to 16 by minus 7 or minus 7 by 16. Then 6 by 13 into minus 7 by 16 is equal to minus 42 by 208. Verify the following. 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9 is equal to minus 5 by 9 to 3 by 7. Is it correct or not? You verify it. First verify means first we find the product of the LHS and then find the product of the RHS. If they are same, then this statement is true. What is 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9? 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9 is Madhavas. We multiply two rational numbers. First we multiply the numerator. That is 3 into minus 5 by 7 into 9. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Minus 15 by 63. Minus 15 by 63. Then we can find, this is the LHS. LHS is equal to, LHS means left hand side. Then we can find the RHS. RHS is equal to minus 5 by 9 into 3 by 7. To multiply minus 5 by 9 into 3 by 7, what we do? We multiply first minus 5 into 3. minus 5 into 3 by 9 into 7. After now, what is minus 5 into 3? One is positive and the other is negative. So the answer is negative. So minus 5 into 3 is minus 15 by 63. Minus 15 by 63. So we got the answer. 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9 is equal to 3 into minus 5 by 7 into 9. That is minus 15 by 63. Then minus 5 by 9 to 3 by 7 is equal to minus 5 into 3 by 9 into 7. That is equal to minus 15 by 63. Here the LHS and RHS both are equal. So we verified it. So to verify means first we simplify the LHS and then simplify the RHS separately. Then check whether they are equal. That is verification. Therefore, here LHS is equal to RHS. That is 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9 is equal to minus 5 by 9 into 3 by 7. That is, what is the answer? It is equal to minus 15 by 63. If you multiply 3 by 7 to minus 5 by 9, we got the answer minus 15 by 63. And minus 5 by 9 to 3 by 7 also minus 15 by 63. Then what is the property we use here? This property is called the shown commutative property. This property is commutative property. That is, if A and B are two rational numbers, then A into B is equal to B into A. If you multiply first A and then second B, then A into B, that is equal to B into A. If you change the order, then also the product will remains the same. That is the commutative property of multiplication. So here 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9 is equal to minus 5 by 9 into 3 by 7. The answer is both we got the answer minus 15 by 63. That is LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we verified. Hence we verified the. Therefore, to verify means to find the simplify the LHS and RHS separately, and you verify that both the answers are same. Okay. Next question. 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2. 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2. Here first one we do, Fatima. Here first we find the simplify the bracket. 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3. To divide 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3, Madam Mechu, what do you do? 5 by 9 is equal to 5 by 9. We take the reciprocal of the divisor. What is the divisor? Divisor is 1 by 3. So it is equal. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 3? 5 by 9 into 3 by 1. That is then divided by 5 by 2. So first we simplify the bracket. 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 is equal to 5 by 9 into 3 by 1 divided by 5 by 2. Then 5 into 3 is 15. That is 15 by 9 divided by 5 by 2. Then after that, what do you do? 15 by 9 to divide 15 by 9 divided by 5 by 2. We have to take the reciprocal of the divisor. What is the divisor here? Divisor is 5 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 2? It is equal to 2 by 5. So it is equal to 15 by 9 into 2 by 5. That is equal to 30 by 45. So to find 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2, first we simplify the bracket. 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 is equal to 5 by 9 into the reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. Then divided by 5 by 2. Then first we simplify this product in the bracket. That is 5 into 3 is 15, 9 into 1 is 9. Then 15 by 9 divided by 5 by 2. To divide by 5 by 2, we have to multiply by the inverse. Then 15 by 9 into 2 by 5. That is equal to 30 by 5. So what is the answer? 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2 is equal to 30 by 45. 30 by 45. Therefore, to divide a rational number and another rational number, what we do? We have to take the reciprocal of the divisor. You remember, not the dividend, we take the reciprocal of the divisor. So here 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 is 5 by 9 into the reciprocal of 1 by 3. Remember it. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. Then 5 by 9 3 by 1 divided by 5 by 2. Then 5 by 9 to 3 by 9 is 15 by 9 divided by 5 by 2. Again we take the reciprocal of this 5 by 2. That is 15 by 9 into reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5. That is 30 by 45. So what is the answer? 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2 is equal to 30 by 45. We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given through Google Classroom. Thank you and hello.